Howdy folks, how's it going? Gabriel here. I'm here in San Pedro in Guatemala on Lake Atitlan, just walking through downtown. And I'm walking over to the pier where you catch boats that cross the lake to the other villages. There's lots of other villages around the lake, so I have no idea which boat I'm going to end up taking, where I'm going to go. I'm just going to see where they're headed and just go to any of the villages and check them out. Boats to San Marcos? What? Oh, this one now? Okay, gracias. Okay. All right, good news. There's one ready to go. In a little while. Let's see. Alright, so I'm here in San Marcos on the other side of Lake Atitlan. Looking forward to just walking around here. It's supposed to be a very pleasant little village, a little bit quieter and mellower than San Pedro there. Looks like a pleasant hotel, Hotel Unicornio. This is definitely a different scene from San Pedro. All these just really exquisite places with gardens and cool construction and stuff. Wow. Right on, what a cool little area. And looks like this is the elementary school for the village. Pretty cool. I'm not sure where all the kids are. It's like 2 in the afternoon on a Thursday, but maybe they get out early. Looks like this is the main drag. So I'm really not sure exactly what there is to do and see around here. I think not a whole lot other than going to, maybe yoga classes and getting massages and hanging out in cafes or whatever, but it will be some nice just walking around, I think. So it didn't take long to walk out of town there. I'm now on this road that just kind of continues along the lake. Just gonna walk up it a little bit and see if I get some nice views or something. Probably will. And continuing down this dirt road here. And this road just keeps on going. I'm guessing it probably goes to the next village, whatever that is. But I've had a nice little stroll here. I've probably come a couple more miles or so from San Marcos there. So I think I'm going to turn things around, head back. And as I said, there's not a whole heck of a lot to see here. So I got a nice taste of it. And I'm glad to have seen it because I was considering moving over here from San Pedro at some point. But I think I'm going to stick at San Pedro, or maybe check out some of the other villages. We'll see. Maybe go for something a little bit smaller. There are some other villages around the lake that are larger, a little more happening, but less foreign tourists than San Pedro. But San Pedro is just kind of perfect. It's really still quite mellow. I have a spectacular room for $10, and there's a lot more happening there. Restaurant choices. There's even a place with hot tubs. And saunas, I think, so I'm going to maybe check that place out. And it's a good base for doing more exploring of the lake, the volcanoes, and maybe do some zip lining or something like that. So anyway, gonna head on back. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.